25. He got 4 NHL games. Hunter Skinner. Hugh McGing will get a chance up front with Matthew Pekka and Matt Luff. He's opposed at the other end right now is T-Bird superfan Kale Gouin. 15 years of age. Matthew Pekka with Matt Luff and Hugh McGing for the T-Birds up front. Corey Schoeneman paired with Hunter Skinner. Victor Mancini and Ben Harper the defense. Anderson for Tyler Tucker. Matt Luff kicks it inside the Hartford zone and then steals the puck. Luff a quick shot. He scores! The T-Birds doing a good job preventing the shots for now. One-timer coming here, though, and they score. Luff around the net with it. Centers in front. Pekka got tied up. Extra feed. Dvorsky scores! Had it bounce over his backhand side. Johannesson a flipper toward the front deflection and Domingue the save off the headgear. Point Harper. Harper sends it in low, deflected just wide. Rempe trying to jam it home. Ellis the save. He's hugging that podium. Cross for Mackey, who from the left point sends it in front. Ellis a stick save, rebound, and Bleed couldn't get it upstairs. Chasing, LeVerrier dips the shoulder, backhands, he scores! Looking for a shooting lane, he moves in on the backhand, centers in front, Ellis a save, rebound, sat there for a moment. Pekka with space, Pekka moves in, fakes it, around the goal, wrapping it home, he hit the side of the net. It's loose, now Mancini, fanned on the shot at the blue line, Luff takes it over, Matt Luff to the red line, with one already tonight, Luff fires, he scores! Back to the point, Robertson across Scanlon's one-timer, blocked by Bitten. Dylan Peterson will roll it softly deep in the Hartford zone. 7 seconds remaining in this one, and those that have stayed rise to their feet and salute their T-Birds, who dressed in purple tonight have, for the third straight time, defeated their I-91 rivals, a 4-1 win over the Wolfpack. As we wrap things up on the other side, T-Birds hockey has been brought to you by MGM Springfield.